Are you looking for some awesome effects? Get access to thousands of exclusive premium effects, free effects as well, with their super affordable pro memberships. Click the link in the description.
What is going on, guys? My name is Alex. Welcome back to a brand new video, and as you can see right now I just set the camera down somewhere else because I thought that would really spice up the video just to have sort of a variety of locations. You're probably thinking, Alex, where is your third monitor? Well guys, I had to take that one away for a second because my graphics card is getting overheat because it has to support 3 monitors. So I'm basically getting a new graphics card that supports 3 monitors very well, so stay tuned for that. And in today's video, we're gonna talk about how to create awesome videos on a low budget. So if you guys are excited for this topic, make sure to smash the like button down below. And I would say, let's get started with the video. Okay, before we're gonna go into the actual video, I just want to give a shout out. They purchased a pro membership on the link in the description on Production Crate, and I promised anybody that gets a pro membership will get a shout out in my next video. Okay, so I'm going to give 4 shout outs in this video because 4 people purchased the membership. So I want to start off by thanking JustAlexHalford for purchasing an awesome pro membership on Production Crate. I'll look into it, and if he has a channel, it will pop up right now. I also want to do a big shout out to Ashley Mills for checking out Production Crate and their subscriptions. Eli of Eli Nera for also getting a membership. All the channels will pop up below if they have a channel. And obviously the last one, Gary Mason, thank you so much for checking out the link and supporting the channel in general. Big shout out to you guys. You guys are the reason I keep doing this because it's so much fun to entertain you guys. Okay, with that all out of the way, let's move on to step number 1. Use what you already have. Many of you probably will have a smartphone that has decent quality on the camera and the microphone itself, and I'm gonna prove that to you by I'm gonna just go ahead and start recording myself. So I'm going to grab my camera and you guys will actually see that it is great quality to start off a video or to make a video on a low budget with something you already have, which is obviously your cell phone. Okay, so I just put the camera to video. I'm going to switch camera and I'm going to go ahead and film myself with my phone. Okay guys, as you guys can see, this is basically using your cell phone as a camera. It works really great, and I can even go ahead and mess with the settings and the brightness and everything. So it's really simple. Just go ahead and start using your phone for filming videos because you can set it down anywhere. The camera is great, and that's something you can definitely use in your videos, and that's just go ahead and use your cell phone because you don't really need a $1,500 or $2,000 camera in order to get seen on YouTube and in order to get views. So using your phone is a great way to start off with what you already have, and obviously if you want to record audio, for example, you can just go ahead and look for the voice recorder on your phone. I'm going to look for it right now. Okay, so as you guys clearly can hear the difference between this audio and the audio of the camera that I'm going to use right now. So if I go ahead and switch back between both audios of right now, the camera to my phone, as you can hear, if you have decent headphones or good speakers, you will able to hear the difference because obviously a microphone on a $500 camera that I'm using right now is a little bit better than just, you know, the voice recorder on your phone. But I'm not saying in any way that you should not, for example, start off with your phone, because the phone actually does the job quite amazing. So that's what I did as well many years ago when I didn't have a great microphone on my camera. I just used my phone, and that's how amazing it is. So this is how you create videos with what you already have. So I would say, let's move on to step number 2. It's obvious that you cannot use or afford a $600 editing program like I use, for example, to make my videos in Vegas Pro 15. So what you can do in order to go ahead and edit your videos on a budget is just use free software. There is iMovie for Mac. I don't know if Windows Movie Maker still exists, but there are tons of free software such as HitFilm that you can use. And even if you're on a budget but a low one, if you think $40 for a editing software is affordable, what you can do is you can go ahead and start using Magic's Vegas Movie Studio Platinum that only starts, I think, around $39. So if you are on a budget and you want to keep it on the low side, you don't want to spend $100 to $600 on a really expensive program, that software starts at 40 bucks or something like that. So I will leave the link in the description for you guys to check out. So that's the second step, guys. Just go ahead and edit your videos. Don't hit record, do your video, stop recording, and then hit upload. Nobody's doing that. Everybody wants some kind of quality in their videos, even if it's just adding a little intro. It doesn't matter. Editing your videos will make them a lot better. You can add in music, background music, sound effects, outros, intros, anything like that. So make sure to check out the description for Vegas Movie Studio if you feel like the need. I want to pick that up. I will leave the link down below. So with step 2 being said, let's move on to the third and the last step, which is step number 3. Okay, the last step is obviously saving up. I'm not saying that you should go ahead and when you start a YouTube channel that you want to go ahead and use your phone, for example, for a month and then aim for a $2,000 camera. Believe it or not, when I created my most viral video that has almost, well, I think it has crossed 1.8 million views back in 2013, how to drive a car easily, the most successful video on this channel was recorded with the front-facing camera of an iPhone 4. So there are even videos shot these days with a $4,000 camera that can even get 200,000 views. That video in 2013 with the front-facing camera of the iPhone 4 was actually shot in a really low quality. I'll show you guys a little overlay of it right now. Black bars all the way around, and that is basically the ultimate proof that you don't need a $2,000 camera or a $1,000 camera in order to get seen and get millions of views. If you want to save up for a camera, you can go ahead and move on from your phone to, for example, a Canon, for example, 600D. That starts around $300 to $400. That's a little bit more affordable. That's a little bit more affordable than those really $1,000 to $2,000 DSLR cameras. Because, for example, let's say that you're trying YouTube and it doesn't go as expected. I really don't want you guys to feel disappointed because you've saved up all your money for a $1,500 camera and you're not getting the amount of views that you expect, so you're not making that money back from the camera. When I bought this Canon G7X back in 2016, that costed me $500. Obviously, in the back of my head, I was thinking, if I would create videos with this quality, with this high quality, I would love to get the views that will get the money back that I spend on this camera. So that's basically the thing, guys. If you want to save up, don't go from your iPhone to a $2,000 camera. Just start off and build up, because when I started YouTube back in 2012, I had a really crappy Samsung phone that you really cannot see anything on because of the pixels and the low quality. And then as I got better and I gained more views and subscribers, I went from the Samsung phones to the Canon 600D that cost me $400, and then I used that camera, and then I went to go ahead and use a Logitech webcam for a very long time to improve the quality. And then at some point I just saved up enough revenue from YouTube to buy this Canon G7X that I've been using now for almost 2 years. So that's it, guys. This is what I mentioned. I want to thank you for watching. This is how you create videos on a low budget, and I want to thank you for the support. We're almost, as you can see behind me, we are almost crossing 184,000 subscribers. So we are almost 16,000 subscribers away from that 200,000 subscriber mark. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. I will see you guys obviously in a brand new Vegas 15 tutorial tomorrow. And if you want to have a shout out in my next video, make sure to check out the description of the production crate link and get yourself a pro membership. You will get access to so many premium effects, and you will get mentioned in my next video with your channel on screen below. Just a win-win for everybody. So that's it, and I will see you guys obviously in tomorrow's video.
Okay guys, so you probably noticed that I only have shown 3 out of 4 YouTube channels of the people that purchased the membership. Well, I've sent everybody an email asking for their channel, but I only got 3 responses, and I want to have this video out on time. But make sure to check out the description because all the links will be there no matter how long it takes. I will put the links down in the description. So that's it, and I'll see you guys next time.